Today we will be looking at a 15-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I have been testing hundreds of trading indicators and strategies here on this channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader and give you access to our private indicators, as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. All right, so today we are looking at a 15-minute scalping strategy, and to save your time, we are going to go through this super fast. So this is the strategy we have developed here on the channel with just a few additions to it. So the indicators themselves, the strategy consists of 3 different indicators. So we have the private created percent B indicator. It's a private indicator just like our RSI here, and the inverse Fisher transform of the RSI. All 3 of these are private indicators that we offer to our patrons when you join our Patreon. But in this particular case, I did add in a support and resistance indicator like this here, which just helps you kind of identify those areas where price might be starting to slow down, and you might look to either move your position to break even, or to just go ahead and take profit, or you can take half profit and let the rest kind of continue. But I wanted to bring up the slight change to this, or the slight addition that you can use, as well as go ahead and look at the numbers for this strategy for the week to see how it's holding up. So for the week, we have done 13 trades altogether. 3 of them were break even, 7 of them were winning trades, 3 of them were losing trades. And so if we were risking, let's say, $200 per trade, that means that our total loss would have been 600. Our total gain would have been 1,050. After subtracting our losses, the total gain would have been 450 for the week on those numbers. So the strategy is holding up super nice. Again, did really good on Forex and amazing on crypto as well. And so if you're interested in these indicators, or if you want to view the full-length video on it, I'll link to the full-length video on the end of this video here. And if you're interested in these indicators, join our Patreon, where we're doing some really great stuff, helping everybody out. We have a new channel where we're doing Patreon trade ideas, calling out lots of trades throughout the week. So that's it for this video. We're gonna move on to the next video from here.